Hey guys, good morning. I'm Ryan, Pro Solar Hawaii. We're unboxing the SOL-ARK 200 amp 15 kW inverter. It's our first installation of it. We also have a tilt kit that we are installing on the roof. Let me take you up real quick. We just started the installation. I want to show you guys the tilt kit, the roof plates on the roof, and what the installation looks like in the beginning as well as the end, just so you guys can have an idea of what a system and the installation process can look like with Pro Solar Hawaii. Okay, let's go up on the roof. Okay guys, so what we're doing is we're putting this tilt kit on here. Now this is all Iron Ridge material. We have our roof plates, as you can see here, that are installed already. Now the reason that we are doing this on the east side is this area here gets a lot of clouds in the afternoon. So we have our solar hot water on this side. That's our west side, this is our east side. Normally on the west side would be generally better than the east side because it only get the morning sun. So what I decided to do was put this tilt kit on here, and this tilt kit will allow us to get the best sun from both sides of the roof. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here on the side. We're going to make a penetration here, pop our line down. All of our equipment's going to be on the side of the house. I'm going to go down now and start unboxing the 200 amp SOL-ARK inverter and try to get these guys up and running within a day or two so they can start saving money on their electric bill. Now we also have the 18.5 Fortress battery that we're going to be using. As you can see, it's a beautiful day in Kailua Kona. Calm winds, clear skies. Couldn't ask for better weather than this. All right guys, so on the front here we had a cable box that was in the way where I have the gutter now. So what I did is I looked at this area, and we're going to put the solar on this side of the house now. So what I'm going to be doing this morning is putting the gutter on, putting the inverter on, the disconnects, the disconnect for the strings, as well as Helco's production meter. Now they've already got the meter installed for the meter boxes we can feed back into the grid. Now feeding back into the grid under the CGS Plus program is the current program that Helco offers. If you guys have any questions about that, feel free to call us anytime, and we're happy to answer any questions you have. Unboxing the SOL-ARK 15 kW. This would be our bracket to hang the inverter on. Okay, we'll put that over to the side. We'll remove this top piece here and get the foam out of the way. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the new 200 amp SOL-ARK 15 kW. Let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, so we have a bag of some miscellaneous parts here, and then our thank you for choosing SOL-ARK paperwork, our Wi-Fi dongle, which connects the inverter to the customer's home internet. And as you can see in this inverter, we have our generator ports. We also have our load ports, and then we have our grid side here. All of our strings here, our low voltage communication wires. We have a place for 2 batteries to hook up to it. Okay, our connections for those. And then we'll bring our wires into the bottom of the unit. So exciting for the customer and exciting for ProSolar Hawaii, installing the 200 amp 15 kW SOL-ARK. And as I go through the installation, we're going to try to give you guys some tips on installing the system and just making it look good and functional, so we can make the customer installation a good installation, the best that we can do. Okay, so I wanted to go over a little bit of the installation with you guys at this stage in the installation. You can see we have our conduits, our gutter boxes in. We have our gutter box here, one down there, and then we have a production meter. We have our 200 amp SOL-ARK inverter, and then we have a breakout panel over here, which is a 125 amp bus, so we can move circuits from the meter box into that panel and have those on the load side. So basically the whole house will be on the inverter as well as the battery. And I already explained to you guys, we're going to put that in the garage, the battery, once the wiring is done out here. So we've got a little update on the roof. Let me show you guys what we got on the roof done so far. Okay, so we got a tilt kit, and I was explaining to you before, the tilt kit's going to catch the sun in the morning and in the afternoon. We got one row of 18, 2 strings of 9. Okay, and our next stage will be installation of all the wiring. Okay, so we're just trying to finish up the install now. I've got one thing left to do, and that's connect the battery. Now what we've got the meter box, our gutter, our 200 amp SOL-ARK production meter, our PV panel, and then we got another gutter down here on the end. Our conduits going down. Okay, so we got another gutter box here. Our negative and positive battery cables are going through this box. Let's go around into the other side of the garage, and let me show you here's our production meter, PV disconnect for the AC, and check this out. We're getting ready to install this fortress out over here. Okay. I got the wires coming through with rigid conduits. Now I've got another gutter box. I'm getting ready to knock out the holes, mount that to the wall. Going to put connectors on the end of these, connected to the battery. Get this battery in place here, and then go ahead, turn on the system with the battery, do the battery settings, and get this battery charging. Okay, so we're up on the roof. Just a little view of the panels. Now, the reason we chose to put this tilt kit on is this house is located in a position here where the mountain will cloud up early in the morning, but then in the afternoon sometimes the clouds can move, sometimes not. We want to get both the afternoon and the morning sun, so with the tilt kit we're going to be able to do that. We've got it tilted slightly to where the water will drain off still, but as you can see, our sun in the sky here is hitting the panels pretty good right now. We're doing, after 3:30, we're still doing over 90% in production. I want to show you the installation of the tilt kit and how it is put together. Okay, so we're down here underneath the panels, and as you can see how it's all put together. Okay, and our plates Hey guys, if you guys are looking for a system, give us a call. I'm Ryan, or you can call Danny. You can call our sales line. All our information is available on the website or our YouTube channel. I'm going to give you guys another look at this end of the system with the box. Okay, so we got our box here. Our LED flashing, plenty of sealant around here. Let's just take a look underneath here to see how it all stacks up. We've got our Tego rapid shutdown devices. If you guys are looking for a system, give us a call. And we'll take you down on the ground and show you the finished product with the battery and the rest of the system. Okay, so when connecting the cables, ensure the battery DC breaker is off and the battery screen is off. Now we're going to go ahead and make our connections. So we're going to go ahead and connect our positive first, then we're going to connect our negative. We got everything in the off position. We're going to ensure both sides are connected and torqued properly, and then we will turn on the battery, set the charging settings and discharge settings per the manufacturer's manual and spec sheet. Okay guys, so inside the inverter here, we've got our battery cables attached. Now this has a place for 2 batteries to hook up. All of our strings, our low voltage for the rapid shutdown. We have our grid, our load, and our gen side. Our L1 and L2 breaker, which is 200 amps. I'm Ryan, Pro Solar Hawaii. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. You can call our sales line, you can give me a call, go to our YouTube channel, check out some of our other videos, our website. I'm Ryan, signing off for today. Aloha, and thanks for tuning in.